Welcome to Analytics with RB. In this video, we'll see how to create an area chart. These are typically the charts where an area between line and the axis is color shaded. These are used to present the accumulated values over a trend. Okay. Since we are creating sales by region, I'll show you from the scratch. This is made with the data set sample superstore. Okay. So first of all, have selected sales. We want to show a trend over a date. So order date. Now by default, it would be on your calculation. I'll take it as a continuous month. Okay. Need not keep it as discrete. Now I would change it to an area from the marks card, or you could also go and show me and make the selection from here. In any of the ways, a simple visual has started to appear. Let's do more on this. I'll hide my axis. I don't want to see the sales values. I'm going to use Tooltip. Region, we'll keep it in color segment. Okay, something has started to pop up, but you see it's not sorting in the correct format. It has done an alphabetic sort. So I'll right click, sort, and I want to keep it in the field sales in the descending format. Okay. Now colors does not seem right enough. Let's swap them. Edit colors. We'll give, let's take it one more shade lighter. Also, we would keep it 80% opacity. That would make it more visually appealing. And I want to see borders as well. Okay. Slowly visual start to pop up. You might see something is there, but we'd make it more advanced. Okay. I'll go in worksheet, actions. I want to select an entire area over a hover. Let's keep it from this sheet, add a new action. We want to highlight over and hover. While I'm hovering over something, I want to highlight. It's on the sheet 4. Let's rename it with region highlight. Okay. Run this action over and hover. Selected field has to be, entire field needs to be selected. Okay. Now you see. You see, it's become more dynamic. Okay. Few more things. We'll rename this sheet. Sales by region. I'll customize it to the Verdana font type. Okay. Also, month over order date. I don't want to see the header. So instead of, I'll edit axis and I only don't want to see the header. I still want the axis to be visible. So I'll remove everything from here. It has created one visual. Let's add the column separators to it. Format, columns, lines, and here let's keep it dotted. We can have a color tone decided. So one visual has been created for area. By region is already created, one of the area charts. Now I got just more curious to let you know how to create area chart with LOD operations as well. So simply duplicate this. I have duplicated, renamed it as sale by category. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to create LOD operation for order ID and profit. Control click, select both, create LOD calculation, and this I'll gonna consider whether order is profitable or not, right? So orders would be profitable if sum is more than zero for group by order ID, so fixed on order ID. Now this I'm gonna put into the colors. Okay, we can change this colors, edit. We'll use our usual color palette, lightning water. Assign palette might not give me the usual good choice of colors. Have selected myself. Okay, so now this has been created. Sales by category. We would keep category into the rows. Something is starting to be created, but not at the good shape and format yet. We'll hide the label rows. And what more we could do is first is the highlight part and order profitable, we can alias it. Two things are yet to be remain. So here I have aliased whether order is profitable or not. So false could become as not profitable. Okay. And so would be in the true. The orders are profitable. Looks much better. Fine. Also, we want that highlight effect. Now you can play around with the highlight effect. Actions we are going to create. Wait, sales by category. We would edit this. Okay. And here we could either choose category or order profitable. I'll show you both how that functions. Order profitable, it's going to be almost the same effect. If you click on profitable, it's that. Not profitable, it's that. You could also sort it. Go into order profitable, sort. Okay. We would keep it selected by field here. Sales, let's keep it into a descending format. So profitables are more sales orders and that would go on top. Now, so this was one type of a highlight when we are hovering over the profitable or not profitable. Let's highlight over the categories as well. So same actions, okay? We are editing our region highlight over here. Let's not call it as region, but category highlight, okay? And we would be selecting category over here. We could have both selected, but I'm specifically going to select only category bar. Okay. So now what happens, you see, only furniture category is highlighted when I hover over it. So that's how dynamic visuals could be created with the hover effect. And you could add visuals in the tooltip. You could do more wonders. And let me see what you are expecting next, what you are doing it. If you are stuck, you could let's be more interactive in comments. So please comment over this. Let me know your projects. What are you wishing for next? And if there's anything going up in your head for topics, what you want to learn more. And likewise, like and share this video so it reaches to who actually is more eager to learn more. So let's find out that. Keep learning. Thank you.